Hey everyone, it's Gladys with Road to Self-Reliance, and today I've got a product review for you. And I want to say up front, this is not a sponsored post, and as I am recording this in April of 2023, I am not an affiliate. So what I am is a very happy customer who bought a product, really liked it, and think it might help you in your kitchen. And what I have are super cubes. These are freezer containers that I have absolutely loved. I got the 1 cup size, but they're also on the inside, it has a mark for 1/2 cup so that you can freeze that. It has a lid. It is made of silicone, so it is easy to pop out whatever you have frozen in here. They have not stained, and as you'll see in the video, I've put spaghetti sauce, vegetable broth, different things like that. Has not stained at all. They are dishwasher safe, although I don't have a dishwasher. I've been hand washing it and find them easy to clean up. So you can find them at supercubes.com, and here is my review. One thing I've been using my super cubes for is to save spaghetti sauce. Now, I make my own to eat because I find that the jarred sauce really irritates my stomach. But my husband likes this, so when I buy for him, and I only get a small bottle, but there's always plenty left, so I just put it into the cubes, and then it is ready to put the lid on and then go into the freezer. And then I've got enough for him to have for each meal. So it's perfect for that. I also like to use them when I make my vegetable broth. And I've got another video on that you can see how I make it. But I just pour it out into 1 cup measures, which is what I find I most often need. And then add the lid and into the freezer it goes. Now, once everything is frozen, all you need to do then is to pop the cubes out and have something nearby to store them in. I've just got a freezer bag, so pop them out and put them into the bag. They're very flexible, the super cubes are, so they're easy to push to pop things out. I haven't had any trouble getting things out even when I filled it up more. So into the freezer bag, seal it up good, get as much air out as you can, and then I put on a piece of tape and label it with what it is and the date so I can keep track of that. Now, one of the things that I really love about super cubes is they do not stain. As I showed you, I have put spaghetti sauce in there several times. There's no staining. So here I am rinsing them out, washing them out a little bit after I've removed those spaghetti sauce cubes. I don't have a dishwasher, so I do all of this by hand. And I just take a sponge or a rag, a little bit of dish soap, and then give it a rinse. And then I wash the lid off also. All right, so a reminder, this was a product that I purchased, and I've had it probably about 1.5 years now and have really been happy with it. And in fact, they keep adding new items and sizes to their product line, so I'm looking at buying some more things. Although this has held up really well, I expect it to last for a very long time. So this can be a great way when you've got any kind of bulk cooking or leftovers, something like that. You pop it in here, stick it in the freezer, and then you can pop it out and store it in another container so you can reuse these. And it can really help eliminate waste and fill your freezer with a lot of good food. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe to the channel to get notified when there's more content. See you later.